Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the air blast load over composite panel, which is made with CFRP with thumb layers, ceramic with bezel model, and the glass fiber polypropylene or GFPP polymer at the background. And we model 1/4 of the whole because of the symmetry. So if I click on this, you can see the results. Let me check the stress and let me first replace the CFRP. So this is the ceramic as the first. See, it is filled completely. Let me make it feature edge. It is better to have the C here. Let me use view ODB render, mirror. It is better to watch the full view here. If I click here to select the damage and click on animate, see the damage propagation in the ceramic target with the JHB or Johnson bezel model here. This is the crack propagation, and then the full failure happen all around the ceramic target. You can see that, and this is the final results, and you can see that here. See, so the other result like pressure, like ductile damage, here it is a little bit different. Plastic strain or yield criterion or anything else. This is for ceramic, and now let me make it CFRP. CFRP here, replace it. This is the stress of the CFRP. Then we can check in convex force. See here. Let me make this option here. This is better. And then the Hashing damage criterion, compression for the fiber, tension for the fiber, and let me make this YZ. That's better to have 1/4 of the model. See the failure happen here, see, or compression for matrix, tension for matrix, and we can check the thickness again. And now let me replace the part name is glass fiber polypropylene. Here this is the stress, the huge value, and if I check the Hashing damage, it is failed because it reached maximum values. See, for the displacement it is too much. Okay, this is the simulation of the air blast load over the composite panel. And if you need to model CFRP, glass polypropylene, I don't know, the ceramic with bezel model, you can use this tutorial. So if you want to provide this tutorial, you can come to our website here, Abaqusfem.com, find the English tutorial or search the title or some of the words in the search section of the website, then you will find it. So click on title. Here you will have the geometry, assembly, definition of the material, step interaction load, and then the result as figures. The cost for the CINP English video and reference material is 28 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. Also here we have a full package containing more than 400 tutorials about all aspects of simulation and modeling in Abaqus. And if you use this package and learn all the stuff in it, you will be a master in modeling and simulation in all fields. For instance, here we have explosion with all methods for all the materials, and impact low or high for all the materials, again welding all types, biomechanics, forming, cracked soil, CFD, FSI, thermal analysis, cyclic loading, discrete element, cloud, composite, concrete structure, steel, seismic, electromagnetic, anything. So if you want to provide this full package with affordable price and that is so suitable for a student, contact me to this email to tell you the additional information about the package and the payments way. Thank you for your attention.